I'm just gonna give it away. I'm gonna give away the brand new AirPods XL. This is honestly the biggest AirPods in the entire world. 3 steps. 1, go follow me on Instagram. 2, comment down below. And 3, as always, be happy because life is good. Now let's go ahead and start unboxing this thing because this is great. Alright, what is going on, guys? So today we will be unboxing these huge AirPods or AirPod. I don't really know what this is. All I know is that I found this on AliExpress on eBay and I bought it, so let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so here's what you get on the box. You get Chinese warranty, which I don't know Chinese. Then we also get this napkin. This is like an... Anyways, and then we get... This is awesome. Look at this. Okay, so you only get one, which is honestly what I expected. You also get this micro USB with USB and headphone jack, and then you get the AirPod, and you don't get anything else. Okay, so here is the actual AirPod. This is awesome. Okay, honestly, just for decoration purposes, this is already awesome by itself, but this is actually a speaker. So this is not, you know, an earphone that you put in. Honestly, this would be cool. Imagine picking up a phone call like this. Like
Bluetooth mode.
Alright, so I guess the name of these AirPods are G2. So let's go ahead and tap. This sounds pretty bad. Oh, look at this. There's actually a play and pause button. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, so it sounds awful. Like when I say awful is awful, like honestly my iPhone SE sounds better than the speaker. There's also buttons to skip songs.
Come on, everybody. FM mode.
Here's the bottom of it, by the way. You can literally, I don't even know what this is for. Alright, here's a quick size comparison with just some normal AirPods 2. Look at this. This is literally the cutest thing in the world. This is so tiny now. This actually, of course, fits in my ear, and this doesn't. You're gonna be surprised by this, but do I recommend the AirPods XL? I do, and here is why. If you're watching this video, you probably mean that you really like Apple, that you're a big fan of the AirPods. I know this sounds terrible, but I'm just gonna use this as decoration. I feel like this is awesome for 20 bucks, 30, 10. I found these for a bunch of different prices. Mine was like, I forget. I'll link some down below. Once again, do not buy this for the speaker because it sounds horrible, but this is awesome and it's gonna look great in my set. See you guys.
Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world.
Hello? Hey, who is this? Alright, I'll be there.
That's life.
That's love.
That's what all the people say.